Organized Living's Closet Selector is a revolutionary tool that allows homebuyers to select standard and upgrade closets on their own time or in a design center. It is the first and only digital tool that makes selecting closets simple, paperless, and hassle-free. Closet Selector creates efficiencies to ensure you profit and your homebuyers are happy without increasing the base cost of the home. We make it easy from start to finish. Simply send us your floor plans and our design team will build your Closet Selector program. Once our design team is finished, you will receive a custom landing page including all your models. Now you can send your unique URL to your homebuyers to begin making selections. Your homebuyer can easily explore the options for each closet in their new home. By clicking on the thumbnail of the closet option, they can see a 3D rendering of their closet come to life with their homebuyer commitment. Once satisfied, your homebuyer can finalize. During the selection appointment, simply open the homebuyer's finalized selections to confirm. A confirmation PDF will be sent to your homebuyer with their selections. Your purchasing department will automatically receive a separate PDF with builder cost and markup, homebuyer commitment, and more. All the information you need to process the closet order is at your fingertips. Simply notify your installing dealer when you are ready for the closets to be installed. Your dealer has access to all the information they need to view the job, verify measurements, order product, install, and bill accurately the closets to the exact same layout your homebuyer selected. Your satisfied homebuyer can move in and unpack with ease. They get exactly what they selected with no surprises. Get started using Closet Selector today.